Hello guys, do you think Karbiango has been developed? Developed radically, but we have shopping mall like Vishal Mega Mart, Forest Goods, Reliance Trends. Also we have fast food like KFC. And also we have a railway train station. Let me tell you one country, Lasso country kaprek pen war ha hat development kaprek tum Lasso country han chiti bang development Lasso country hello PB9. It's all because the culture and nature has been protected them. This country have no fast food, no skyscraper, no shopping mall, no supermarket, and only having one international airport. Lapen ke man who me alam this country has no traffic lights. Lapen ke Lasso country that is a beautiful country in the world of man. Beautiful kilang me chot kali but also kaphere athai ave lapen in some jina country. Because where any type of killing animals are banned, where smoking and plastic are also banned. Lapen ke Lasso country no hano rape case lapen crime rates has to make away. So guess it, Kopi Country phalo ni kipudam. A. Nepal, B. Costa Rica, C. Bhutan, D. Mongolia, E. Georgia. Kopi Country lo. Kaprekali itum North East aray. Lake Bhutan.
Welcome to Bhutan.
India lapen China ang bong seduko masih Lasso country pan mangke theglong le derason. Ladakh no building, no supermarket, no fast food. Kidu country pule pudam da chok but pudam no because Bhutan is not trying to follow like any other country. Akaprek tuma country ason Bhutan tumke kopi dunde. Lasso country ke every Bhutanese are free to basic education lapen free healthcare say kachilang anta free. Lapen Lasso country hello kachipathi lapen rape case has to make away. And also smoking in every public places are banned. Lapen ajok si Lasso country hello happiest country in the world. Lapen isi interesting fact Lasso country lake carbon negative. Tumalom ke gari pollution, industry pollution, deforestation lahai pe ajok tumon kahino same dopik. But Bhutan country lake 70% ke lang lapen thengpi thengprang si covered. Athe Bhutan's constitution si long masi 60% thengpi thengprang power long le pugetok doko. Apena jok si Bhutan lake carbon negative si doko lo. And also plastic is banned in Bhutan. Lahai pe jok si Bhutan lake happiest country si chamandalo. Lapen ke we can visit to Bhutan without having any passport and visa. Interesting. Itum Assam North East lapen ke tebok hello lasi monex mentune judame itum tame. Lasi pinya video ke lasi kangton polong jose na tum kachini knowledge kilong dopte share subscribe ek thara so video like comment pitha lasi pinya video ke lasi kangton polo thank you karom.